We are still on data representation. Today we're going to look at what is called the binary shift. Okay. Binary shift is a process of moving all bits in a binary number to the left or to the right. So you can say process right. Okay. So binary shift are used in computer system to move bits, zeros and ones, to the left or right inside a binary number. We have two types. The first one is called left shift. In left shift, we move all bits one place to the left. So to the left, it is this side. All bits are moved one left shift. Okay, all bits to the left, this side. And when that happens, a zero is added to the right. Then you add a zero to the right. Let's take an example. If I have a number, we have 1 0 1 0 and want to perform left shift by 1. Okay, so left shift by 1, left shift by 1. What it means is that we are going to shift these bits. We are going to move them to the left, this side. Okay, here. So let's imagine this is our first position, our second position, our third position, fourth position. So when you shift them to the left, what is going to happen is that this position 0, it will be on position. And then it will move like this, like that. So this one goes to the fifth position, this one, and then the empty bit here, we add a 0 here, like this. So this is what happens when you perform left shift by 1. So the position are changing like this, becomes like this. So if we are to do left shift by 2, left shift by 2, again, we are going to move this same bit to the left. So this one will go in position number 2, this one will go to position 3, this will go to position 4, and so on. So this 0 will come here, and this 0 will be there, and then we are going to have a 1 here, a 0 there, and a 1 here. And then the empty space here, we are going to add a 0. So from here, 1 0 1 0, if we perform left shift by 2, we are going to end up with this number. Let's do the final one. Let's do left shift by 3. Left shift by 3, we're going to shift it. So this one, if we shift it this side, it will be 0 0 0 1 0 1. And then this empty 0, we are going to add this empty space, we are going to add a 0. So this is how you perform a left shift. The second one is what is called right shift. So right shift moves all bits one place to the right. So all bits are moved one place to the right, meaning we'll be shifting bits this way. When this happens, the rightmost bit is lost. So the rightmost bit is lost. The moment you shift it, you lose the rightmost bit. Let's take an example. If we have 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, and we perform the shift right by 1, okay? Shift right by 1, meaning you are going to shift the bits to the right, and we're going to lose the rightmost bit. So this one will become 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. We are going to lose this bit. This bit will be lost when we shift this side. So as we shift, we are going to add a 0 here, and we are going to lose this. That is what is called a right shift.